Hello, everybody, and welcome to Pristine Frog Gaming, or Frogos Creators Academy, whichever channel you are watching this on, because I will be uploading this to both of my channels. That is how important I think this new update to Twitch's mobile app is. So, Twitch's mobile app now has a feature to let you live stream your gameplay directly from your phone to Twitch without using Streamlabs OBS or any other system. So if we come up here to the top right, you'll see the little camera there. We're going to click on that, and then you should be seeing this. Stream Games Beta. Play and stream from your mobile device. So you click on that. Now this is the category you're going to be streaming in. Whatever game you are going to stream in. And if it's not here, you can go ahead and search for it and add it, just like this I did with Eve Echoes. So let's say we're going to do Minecraft stream. So there is the Minecraft. Actually, we're going to do Eve Echoes. So let's say we're going to stream Eve Echoes content. And there we go. Click Next. Now, this is going to allow you to set up your title, your tags, the language, and your go live notification. But there's also something else here. If you go to the top right here, you'll see stream tips and rerun network tests. So you're going to get to choose how you're going to run your stream. However, the Twitch app is going to go through and evaluate your connection to the Twitch servers, and they're going to give you the suggested quality that you should be streaming at. So right here it says that they suggest 720p, 30 FPS, and a bitrate of 3000, and that will give me the most optimal options available and give me the best quality stream as per their suggestions. They also have a simple settings mode where you can have max quality, balanced, or performance, where yes, you can stream 360p 30 FPS. I probably wouldn't do that. You might do a 480p at 30 if you're playing games like Minecraft or something, or Roblox. That might work, but I would prefer to stick with a 720p. Now, you're not stuck with just that. You can go up to 180p with the 60 FPS. So there is that possibility. And of course, the bit rate, you can go all the way up to 6000 on here. So this is a really, really awesome feature of this app, and I love it. The one thing that is going to prevent me from being able to stream my main game that I play right now, which is Eve Echoes, is that Eve Echoes as an MMO, especially when you're in a corporation and you're doing stuff, it makes it really hard to stream the game and not get stream sniped or killed if you don't have an overlay that hides your location and stuff. Now, in a previous video on both of my channels actually now, I did show how you can use Overlay Expert, which is a Twitch extension, to have an overlay from even a mobile phone. So even from this, you can have an overlay, but it doesn't show up for mobile phones. Like, if somebody's watching on a mobile phone, it's not going to show up. And after your stream, your VOD will still have the raw video with no overlay. So yeah, if anybody tunes in watching with a phone, they can see everything you're doing and they can find you just fine. So if we go ahead and put in our title, we have our tags right here. We also have the stream language and the go live notification. So if you hit open stream controls here, we see that we have an activity feed for who's subscribed or who's followed. We have the chat window, which you can interact with directly through here, which is amazing. And you can mute yourself, or you can select go live. You also can control what type of events will show up in little message bubbles. So as you are going along and streaming a game, this little bubble here will go ahead and update and tell you when you have a message or when you have somebody who has just subscribed to you. Now, I'm not going to hit the button to actually go live because that will stop my phone from recording. And I'm going to turn down the volume because this is very loud. So when you come into the game, you can go ahead and get everything going, and you can just stream directly from the game. I'm going to go ahead and input some video from a live stream I did earlier when I first tried to do this video, which messed up on me because I did hit go live.
It is a test. This is bloody awesome. A new feature from Twitch app that lets you go ahead and live stream. I'm going to get off of here because, as you see, we do have our corp is up and running and they are doing stuff. And so we don't want to blast whatever they're doing onto Twitch. But yeah, guys, that's it. That's the video. I'm going to love getting a chance to test this out. And then here we go.
Now, I have not found out anything about the overlays yet, because when you first signed up for this, when you first went into the app and you said that you want to go ahead and stream, it talked about being able to stream and have things like overlays and stuff. But I haven't been able to find out where that was, so they might just be talking about extensions, which is fun. If you're playing any game out there besides an intensive MMO online game like Eve Echoes, or if you're playing something else, the Twitch overlays, don't look at wish.com. So if we go to Twitch and we go to our creator dashboard, and then we come all the way down here to the extensions, you can see that you can have an overlay through Overlay Expert. Overlay Expert will allow you to have a overlay, and you can set this up with Twitch mobile app streaming so that you can have a nice little overlay going on for your stream. As you see here, I do have one. It's kind of hard to see being on a mobile phone at the moment, but I do have an overlay available, and I can apply this, and it should apply for the Twitch streaming coming in as well. So I could put this on and this will block it, but again, these overlays will only show for people using a computer. If they are watching on a mobile phone or maybe even a tablet, these will not show it. So, but the good thing is this is on their side. This is on the Twitch side. This is not causing extra processing for you. But as I said, it doesn't show up for VODs. This will not be on your VOD when you're done at the end of the day. You will have raw video with no overlay. And if somebody watches on a mobile phone, they will also have no overlay. So this will only show for people on a computer, unfortunately. Hopefully they can get that fixed, but it's a limitation of the Twitch extensions system. So I doubt it's going to change unless Twitch can come together with the developers and try to figure out how to make it work. Hopefully they do, because this would further help them get that Twitch streaming out there from the mobile app, if people can still do overlays that are going to show up and stay. So that is something to consider. Anyways, I would just like to thank you guys for watching this video, for whoever's watched it. And if you have found this on my main gaming channel and content like this interests you, please consider subscribing to my secondary channel, which I have created just for the express purpose of creating content for mobile content creators. Here we go. It is called Frogos Creators Academy, and we will get some more graphics for that thing. But it's been doing pretty good. I do have quite a few videos on content creation for the mobile platform, from the basics going all the way up, and I'm actually surprised there's 18 subscribers now. It's going a lot faster than my first channel, but we are trying to get more content out there, and more videos are coming. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Have a good day, and please start playing with that Twitch app, because we need that mobile streaming to stay on there like that and to improve, especially with overlays. Give us more overlays.